to my channel. So I'm doing my nails pink because makeup inspiration today is going to be cotton pink. Well, I should say pink cotton candy. So yeah, so now I am putting my foundation from NYX. I love it because it gives me like a full coverage right away. I don't have to put too much, but just enough. Just a little bit goes a long way. So yeah, now I'm gonna find my concealers that I'm gonna use. Those are the three, or I should say 4 concealers that I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna start with my Juvia's Place number 14 concealer. I just started recently using Juvia's Place concealers, and they are actually flawless. Love them. Super love them. And I'm going to blend in the concealer. And don't be afraid of blending even on top of your eyelid. Just give it like a more even blend. Now that it's done, I'm going to go with contour in the face. Of course, you have to contour with a darker concealer or foundation, whichever one you choose. Now I'm going to blend it in. If this is your first time on my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. Of course, I want to know your input. It's always welcome. And now I'm just like setting my face. And we have to brush off the excess. And I am going to set my whole face with loose powder. Time to do the eyebrows. I like to draw some hair-like strokes. As you can see, it just makes it look so much more natural. And you just draw hair-like strokes. I'm gonna clean under my eyebrows. With the concealer. Yeah, well, I got the thirsty, so hey. I'm using Juvia's Place palette again. That hot pink, very beautiful. Love it, and it's so easy to put on. Then I have to blend in with the lighter shade of pink. Cut my crease. Even lighter shade of pink on the inside and a darker shade on the outside. Now I was editing this video last night while I was falling asleep, so I just don't know. And I'm just going over doing a voiceover today, so I'm just like, yeah. Don't edit a video when you're half awake, half asleep. But hey, looks like it was decent enough for me to just do the voiceover. Yeah, I try to be a little adventurous this time. As you can see, the little dots. the white dots. Just make a little adventurous. Yeah. Rosy cheeks. Why not? Got hungry. Okay. Done. Go back. Now I'm putting some highlights. My nose and my cheekbones. Looks good. Love it. I'm doing my lips. You know what? Recently I've learned how to draw over my lips. I mean, I already have some plump lips, okay? But drawing over those makes them even plumper. And I love it. It's okay. Hey, I like it. My makeup look almost done. Almost done. Almost done. The makeup with my setting spray. That's actually, those are lessil. My goodness, and the style is glam. Lessil is my latest eyelash company that I've been indulging into, just using the eyelashes. I mean, so great. I love their lashes. I mean, man, you can reuse these. I mean, I've reused mine more than 6 times if I continue counting. Look at that. Look at how much they just make your eyes pop. Look at that. Gosh, I love these lashes. Okay, let's do the other side. Oh yeah, by the way, if you notice, my eyes changed. Yeah, I wanted my eyes to pop a little, so I decided to put my contact lens in. Those are the gray contact lens, so that my makeup can look a lot, I guess, a lot better, I should say. Just like that, I have done the other side as well. Maybe not. Let me adjust it. I don't like to use these. I like to use my fingers. I think my fingers work so much better than tweezers, in my opinion. Just have more control. Oh yes, I definitely do have more control of my fingers than the tweezers. Yep. All done. Voila. Yeah, my hair, I mean, my makeup was inspired by my hair, and then my nails to complete the full look. I'm pretty happy with it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Again, share it with your friends. Comment, why not? Let me know what you think. Okay, now I'm trying to put my hair up, and as you can see, it's very easy to put up, and it also give it a different look. I love that. Give me like an 80s look. Cute, cute, cute. Cute, cute, cute. Love it. Of course, I had to play with the filters a little bit. Why not?